in tutorial number 6, the button. Here we have it. If you press it once, it will turn blue. Press it again, it will turn green. Again, red. One more time, it will turn off. As you can see, we have the 3 volts going into here, which will power the button, and then going into ground with the black wire ground, and then it will go through here, send a signal to pin 13, and then all of these pins numbers, all these pins will go into the RGB, passing all through all the resistors will set up, which will set up the different colors, and after they go through the RGB, it will go to ground, to brown, into black, into ground. And here is the coding for tutorial number 6. The push button and for the digital input. So first we set up a constant that's called button pin, and it will be in pin 3. And then we set up all the LEDs with red pin as pin 11, green pin 10, blue pin 9, and then we set we create a value for the counter to be 0. Then we set the button pin as an input, and the red, green, and blue pin as outputs. After that, in the void loop, we set a local variable to hold the push button states. Then we have a digital read from the button pin. After that, we have an if statement for the button if it's low, with a delay of 250 milliseconds. So if the count is 0, everything will be off. If the count is 1, the red pin will be on. The red pin will be on. If the counter is 2, the green pin will be on. If the counter is 3, the blue pin would be on. After that, any higher numbers, it will reset the count to 0, and it will restart all the way to the top again. Hi, this is Felix doing tutorial 6, the modified. Here, as you can see, I added a piezo buzzer, which is connected to pin 13, which will go into the piezo buzzer and out into ground through the black wire. And I made this so that if you press this, it will play a tune, and if you press it again, it will play another one. Yeah, so that's it. And here is the modified. As you can see, I have set up a constant called buzzer that will be in pin 13, and in the void setup, we have the buzzer as an output. So all I changed in the program is, so if the count number is 0, it will play no tune from the buzzer or the piezo buzzer. If the count number is 1, it will play a tune at 261 hertz, and for half a second, then it will stop and wait a second, then repeat. If the count number is 2, it will play at 400 hertz for half a second, then it will stop, then it will wait half a second, then repeat again. If the count number is 3, it will play tune at 540 hertz and wait a second, then stop the tune, then wait for half a second, then repeat that again. After that, any higher counts, it will reset the count number to 0 and repeat again.